A quick guide to opening a password-protected spreadsheet. Check to see if the Excel file is encrypted. If you're immediately prompted for a password upon double-clicking the file and not given the option to open it read-only, the file is encrypted and you cannot use this method to open it. Make a copy of the workbook. Click the Excel file that contains the sheet you want to unprotect, then paste it into another folder. Enable file extensions. Change the Excel file into a zip folder. Press Enter and click Yes when prompted. Extract the zip folder. Click Extract All. The extracted folder should open. Double-click the Excel folder. Double-click the Worksheets folder. Right-click the sheet you want to unlock. Select Open with or directly edit in Notepad. Find the sheet protection section that's inside the brackets, then delete everything. Save your changes and close the text editor. Copy the Worksheets folder. Open the ZIP file. Replace the Worksheets folder with your copied one. Change the zip folder back into an Excel file. Press Enter and click Yes when prompted. Double-click the Excel file to open it. Now that you've removed password protection from the sheet, you'll be able to edit it as needed. You can also try cracking a workbook password through applications like PassFab and try troubleshooting your password. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.